Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we are going to do Mountain Climber Prep here on your Wunda Chair. So Mountain Climber Prep is actually a really awesome way to get comfortable with this exercise, and it's also a great place to stay for a really long time. So if you are afraid of getting up on top, it just seems really scary, you can still get a ton of benefits out of the Mountain Climber Prep. There is, however, some ways to cheat yourself and getting those amazing things out of your Mountain Climber Prep. So I'll talk about those in the video today. If you are here from the online pilatesclasses.com flashcards for the chairs, thank you so much. I am so excited that these are in your hands, finally. It was one of the biggest decks we've done, and obviously Cadillac deck was bigger, but this chairs deck has a lot of moving parts. We wanted to make sure you were able to see all the different ways these decks can work together, aka the exercises work together. So for Mountain Climber Prep, you want to have one top and bottom spring, okay? And then you want to take your hands onto the chair, place your feet onto the pedal, and you're kind of in this pull-up position shape. So it's not booty out, right? You're here. Then you'll place one foot onto the pedal, to the chair, excuse me. And what I like to do is I imagine a middle line, and I like to be slightly outside that middle line, and then a little turned out, not a lot, just enough to take up a little bit more area, okay? Then your hands can be here in this like spider-like shape. Now it's easy to rest on the leg. So even though I'm around here and my body type is part of it does feel like it's touching the thigh, there's a difference between touching it and resting on it. You know the difference too, right? So pulling the energy away from the leg, then you pick the pedal up. The start position is with the pedal up. So then as you pump the pedal, you can just stay here and you can do as many pumps as you want. Eventually we're gonna work up to doing 32 pumps when we do the full mountain climber. If you want to put your hands on the front of the chair, you can do that. It's a little bit harder. It's a little bit more next level on that prep, right? And so you just want to make sure that you are creating the longest round shape here in your start position and that you're standing in this leg here because it's going to support you when you do take your hands off eventually. As you get more and more comfortable with the prep, you can do things where you just take the arms forward and then you can bring them down, right? So you'll find your own way. As you get better with your going up front, you will notice that Mountain Climber Prep and going up front together create your mountain climber. A really fun exercise to do. Great way to get your heart rate going. Give this a try. Let me know how it feels in the comments below. And join us over at onlinepilatesclasses.com where we do life better.